my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a Picket fence haul to share with you. I have some more goodies to show you, so let's go ahead and get into this. I did order some more from their sale they're having. I'm not sure if they're still having it, but I will leave the links below so that you can go ahead and check it out and see what they have. They do have some goodies, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing I want to go ahead and show you is I'll show you the Sequin Mix that I did get. Now I got some before on a previous video, which I'll also link below, but I had to get some more because I really did like these. So the first one I have is this red one. It's red and black, which is a card mix. Look at that. How pretty is that? Hopefully there's no glare. But it does have red and black mix in there with some cards and some pearls. It's real pretty. I got that one. Another mix I have, this is a Christmassy mix. And it does have some gold and blue. And basically it's a sequence mix. It does have some white and some red in there. Another one I have. And this one I have because of course I did see some pink skulls in there. And this one has some yellow and some pinks and what else in there? Yellow, pinks, and I think some whites in there. So I have that one also. Now these are real pretty, and I love the containers it comes in. And then this one is a spring mix. So this one has the blues with some flowers and yellow. And then it has white. I love the blue in this one. That one also. I believe or I remember, I want to say like 70% off. Like I said, I'll have all the stuff in the description below. And this one is a Halloween mix, and it does have some pumpkins in there and little squirrelies in there. Also some cats, and this is orange and black. It also has some witch hats in there. Look at that. How nice is that? I also got those ones. I got those 5. Like I said, I did order some before, so I did like that mix. I got some more. Now some other things I also was able to grab was paper glaze, and the first one I have is hickory blue, and it does come in 1 ounce, and it's this one. And I plan to use this with for background. I got that one, and I think a lot of these were already out of stock. I want to say some of these were already out of stock. And this one here is Twinkle Lights Pink. Look at that one. This is pretty. And it does. This has like a little shimmer. How pretty is that? I know you can see it. This does have like a little glitter. And this one is called Soft Pastel. Also 1 ounce. Look at that, like a mitt. It's really nice. And then the last one I have here is Hibiscus Pink. Look at that one. That's real pretty. I like that one. And I also was able to get my hands on because they also do have tools. So I was able to get some of these tools that they had on their site, which is a plastic knife spatula set, which is a set of 6. So I was able to get these, which I wanted for my glaze. I got those. So the ones I have are a little like metal, but I wanted plastic. And these are actually pretty thick. Another tool item that I did get also were the stamp pads. These stamp pads, so because I got a Misty, and this is to press it, so like a stamp pad. I guess I call it a presser. But I got 2 of these, and I believe they were like $1.50-ish, give or take. So I also got 2 of those. They were out of stock before, and they came back in stock. So I went ahead and got those. So I also got 2 of those. So the next thing I want to show you are my stamps that I got. So I did get a few more stamps here. The first ones I'm going to show you are the ones without a coordinating die. So the first thing I have here, see the name of it? No, it's covered. Okay, this one here's a Christmas one. And this is Goody Good Gumdrop Christmas is almost here. Our door is always open during the holiday season. And then they also have Merry Christmas. Rocking down the candy cane lane. It does have a little Gingy in the top. Candy cane wishes sent your way. And home, sweet Christmas home. How cute is that? So I got that one. Another thing I have here, this one was out of stock the first time I bought something on the site, and then I saw it there this time. So I got the pumpkin background stamp. Also got that one. Now this one didn't have a coordinating die, but I really thought she was so cute I couldn't pass her up. But she is the honey deer stamp, and she does come with the sentiment, kind words are like honey, sweet for your soul. I had to have it, so I got that one also. Now the next ones I'll show you are the ones with the dies. Okay, this one here are some kawaii ones, and this one's called Baby Critters. These are little tiny baby animals. And like I said, this one does come with the coordinating die, and it does cut the sentiments also. And it does say, I'll be lost without you. It says, I hop, skip, or fly to find your friendship. How cute is that? Have a wild birthday. Oh, that's cute. So I got that one also. Another one I have, this one is called Friend Deer. And this one I got because it had the pets. And if you saw a previous video, I did buy some stencils with the dog background and the cat background. So that's why I got this one. And this one says, what I have to put up with to be your friend. How cute is that? And like I said, this one does come with coordinating die. So it does cut the dog, the girl, and the cat. You just have to fussy cut the sentiment. There's another one. Okay, the next one I have here is called, I think it's Sweet Sweet Deer. This is also a coordinating die with it. And this one does cut the sentiment off of it. Life is sweeter with you, sweet, sweet girl of mine. TAIS equals thank goodness it's summer. It's been hot here, so I don't know why I'll say that. But yeah, so I got that one. How cute is she? And she's also, I got her because she's holding a watermelon. That is so cute. So I got that one. Another one I have here, and I can't read it because it's down underneath. But I got this one. And this one is a unicorn and a girl, and it does come with the coordinating die. Now this one has a friend die on here. Well, this one's called My Pet Unicorn Deer, so that's probably what the stamp is. Okay, so the sentiments you have to cut separate. It says free hugs, forever, I miss you more than words can explain, good friends, and sparkle to life. Look at that. The unicorn and the girl. And it does have butterflies on there. That is cute. Love, love, love. So also got that one. Love, love, love. Another die I have here is a book reading one. Your next book, Dear. 49 dice set here, so it does cut the kids. Alright. And then you do got sentiments here. It'll have a great school day. Thank you for being such an amazing teacher. Books don't just go with you, books take you to places. Hashtag teaching is life. Don't judge me, I was reading. Buy books, read books, give books. Meet your next book. These pages contain magic. Books spark imagination. Love, love, love. I do love this one. So I saw that, it called me. And the last thing I have here, I did buy a Peekaboo cover plate die, which does cut a sentiment also. Have a nice day, niece, cousin, nephew. Which I mainly bought it for the die, but this is an extra. So that's actually pretty nice. But yeah, that is my little haul for Picket fence. This is actually 2 orders in one, so I went ahead and put it all together. But yeah, that is my little haul for today. I'll have all the links below, and I'll also have the other video so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. Leave a comment below if you bought anything during the sale. If they do have the sale, go ahead and check it out because they do have a lot of great deals. I'm not sure if they are still doing it, so make sure you leave a like, comment, let me know what's your favorite or if you bought anything from there. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.